So you could be in it a little bit for a change. I heard nobody even ask that. Nobody even said. Well, I'm finally sitting down to eat some of my food. That I helped to make and help to supply. These cheeseburgers look good. They taste good, Emil? Do they taste good, Layla? She said no. What about you, sir? Did you like them?
Very good.
Oh, okay. What about you, Isaiah? You like them? Good.
Yep.
Okay, so I think based on all of your recommendations, except for Layla, she's the only one that said no, even though she ate all of hers, actually. I'm gonna let me try it now. Okay.
So 4 out of 5.
Bye-bye.
Tastes good.
Mama,
Right. Thank you. Well, that's because of the
Look at you, Taylor, eating all yours.
Hey.
And you're almost done with yours, Emil.
cheese really rounds it out.
Yum yum.
Delicious little picnic.
Yes, we're very grateful. All right. Is that a wrap?
Yep.
Okay.